Namaste parents and children. Today let us go and talk about one more wonderful scenic pictures, that is the village theme. So if you would have traveled to your hometown, which is a very small place and which is in the countryside, you can see and you can recall what and all you have seen in the countryside. This picture is exactly the same, how the lifestyle of the village. What do the village people do? Day to day, their activities, what they do in the early morning, how wonderful the scenic of the village is, what is their things, how they do it, how hard work they do it. All these are very, very important for the child to expose. Nowadays, we are all in the cities and we get very few opportunities to see these kind of pictures. Unless your hometown or you go to your place back to your village or something and you show this kind of an activities which is happening in the village, the child will not be exposed. So when you travel on a countryside, when you travel on a village side, please stop the car or whichever the vehicle you are going to commute with. So please make the child, allow them to observe what is happening there, because in the cities we have a very, very busy life here. So let us again see what are the most benefits of doing this planned conversation or scenic pictures with this. So as I have already said, before offering any scenic picture, the child needs to observe the picture. Yes, the first and foremost thing, the observation capacity, the calmness, and to take the grasping things what is in and around happening, the child gets that. And also in turn, learning how to have a conversation is very, very important development in the children, which builds their relationship and well-being with the other people is also very, very important. Apart from this, your child will also develop the conversation skills by talking, and when you talk, the child will listen. That is also very, very important, and this routine becomes the everyday part of a life for the child. Then by doing the scenic pictures, the child again become the role modeling and promoting the guidance and practices of help of children with learning with the conversation skills. Their public speaking increases when they come out with lot of ideas, and when they have a very good vocabulary, the child will not fear about the public speaking. Yes, so apart from this, the child also learns the rules and politeness when they do the conversations, and they can put the things very clearly and they can communicate what they wanted to communicate to another person or a person who is listening. In turn, they'll become a very good communicators. In turn, it also helps them to become a very good leaders, because the leadership, the first quality is making and being a very good communicator. That is what it helps. Now allow the child to see or observe this picture and make the child to analyze, or if the child is not able to start off with, you can picture up what is this you can see here. Take an indicator and start pointing out this particular scene. What can you see here? Here is a very big jackfruit tree, and there are a lot of jackfruits. Yes, so what is here? See here. There are a lot of huts. Yes, so this is how usually you see in the village. So there are a lot of rivers and channels which is going through, and people on the rivers go through the rowboats. Yes, rowboat. Yes, that's a hand boating kind, and you can see the agricultural day-to-day activities are happening. They are harvesting, they are doing lot of agricultural activities, they are piling up of a heap, they are segregating the grains here. Yes, there is a lady and a man who is segregating, and there is a bullock cart which is taking all their crops into one place to another. You can see a tractor which it is plowing. Yes, you can also see a people who are selling lot of fruits and vegetables here. There is a man who is breeding a goat here. There you can also see a person who is fishing in the pond. In the pond you can see what all the things you can see here, right? The lotus pond, the swans are here. Here is a scary crow. Why the scary crow is used? Yes, the birds should not come and eat the crops. That is why the scary crows are being kept here. So see how nicely the village people are here doing their day-to-day activities. Now, once the child has explained, and you as a parent and a child has lot of conversation, let the child, there are few words under this thing which we have given to you. So there is something called as a rice field. So explain the child how the rice field and how the rice is cultivated, how that particular crop is being done, the cultivation. Then ask the child to find out the tractor. Then granaries, where are the granaries? It's here. Harvesting, they are doing the harvesting. And thrashing, these are the thrashing things. Then where are huts? There are so many huts here and there, and even in the faraway places as well. Then bridge, see, here is a bridge. The people are crossing with lot of luggage on the bridge, so they wanted to take their items and go to another village, sell, and then make little money. And then bullock cart, here is a bullock cart where they are loading all their crops. Then scary crow, yes, here is a scary crow. Where is a stream? This is a stream. So please introduce all this vocabulary to your child, so that the child will be very good in the enrichment of vocabulary part. Yes, so please ensure that your child does the conversation, and you also send me back your videos and photos of your child doing a lovely conversation with you. Yes, namaste parents and children. Yes, thank you.